Hi students, welcome back to our chemistry classmate. In today's session, we are going to continue few more objective expected models from haloalkanes and haloarenes. I hope you are watching my videos comfortably. So definitely these are helpful to you. So please like it and share it and subscribe my channel and refer to your friends also. So we shall go to the concept. From the following alcohols, which one that would react fastest with the concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2? So some options given here, four options given. Sometimes as per the given question we have to identify directly answer. Sometimes we have to check the process from the options. So this is second kind. That means four options you must be aware about their reactions. So observe here, they are giving the some alcohols as a options, and they're given concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. That is a low-cost reagent. So fastest reaction we are supposed to identify. Okay. So what is the basic equation for this generally? ROH in the presence of HCl and ZnCl2, what will get here generally RCl or RX. ROH RX. This is the basic equation. So for that 2-butanol. So 2-butanol. What is the structure of 2-butanol? So this is the structure of 2-butanol. So if you remove OH, what will get here? You will get one carbocation. This is the carbocation, because here rate of reaction is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. So rate of reaction, here I am writing rate of reaction directly proportional to stability of carbocation. Is it okay? So if you know the stability of carbocation, then you get the which is fastest reaction easily. So this is about the first option. Second option is the 2-methyl propane 2-ol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol nothing but. So this is the structure OH and this is CH3. So if you remove OH minus, what you get here? So you will get the structure like this. So this is a tertiary carbocation. Third option, if you observe that 2-methyl propanol. 2-methyl propanol. So what you get here? So this is the structure 2-methyl propanol. So if you remove OH, what will get here? What will get here? So this is the structure you will get. Okay. If you observe the fourth option, 1-butanol. That means this is the structure 1-butanol. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here OH. If you remove this OH minus, what will get here? This is a radical you will get. Is it clear? So here you will get plus carbocation. Now in the case of 2-butanol, what is the carbocation we got? What is the carbocation? We got it here. So here this is the carbocation. If you observe here CH3, here CH2. That means 5 alpha hydrogens. In this case, this is the main carbon, left side carbon. So immediately the carbon attached to this positive carbon, that is alpha carbon. You know that here 2 hydrogens and here 3 hydrogens. So 5 alpha hydrogens. So in the case of first option, you got 5 alpha hydrogens. In the case of second option, 2-methyl propane 2-ol. So what you get here? 3, 3, 3, because CH3, CH3, CH3. So total you'll get 9 alpha hydrogens. In the third case, what you'll get here? Third case, so you will get almost here 2. You will get almost. See, this is the carbocation. This is the carbon with positive charge, and here only one carbon. So CH3, CH3. This carbon contains only one hydrogen. That is why what you get here? 1 alpha hydrogen only will get. Is it okay? Now fourth case, what will get here? So this is the carbon with positive charge. The next carbon contains 2 hydrogens. That means 2 alpha hydrogens. Is it clear? So first one 5 alpha, second one 9 alpha, third one 1 alpha, fourth one 2 alpha. So among all, which is more stable, which contains the more number of alpha hydrogens. Hence, what is our option? So this will give the fastest reaction. Is it clear? Once again, observe carefully. So you'll get the clarification. Is it okay? Right. Now look at the next question. Look at the next question. IUPAC name of one structure given, some complex structure given. So it is all are carbons only. All are carbons only. So as per the basic rules, you have to take the longest carbon chain. Longest carbon chain. Here, which is the longest carbon chain? Observe here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 8s are there. That is why some comfortable structure we can take like this, because we have to follow all the rules. So this is the comfortable structure. So longest carbon chain with the substitutions, because you have to follow the lowest sum rule also at the same time, that. Now here see there, one place it is some methyl group is there, one place methyl group is there, in one place again some complex radical is there. This is again complex radical. That is why if you give the numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So third position, third carbon, fourth carbon and fifth carbon substitutions are there.